Have you ever wondered what secrets lie within the genetic blueprint of our ancient ancestors? Welcome to the enigmatic world of ancient DNA, or aDNA for short. This isn't your everyday DNA. It's a fragment of history, a piece of the puzzle that unlocks the mysteries of our past. Ancient DNA is essentially the genetic material recovered from organisms that lived thousands of years ago. This can include humans, animals, plants, you name it. So, where do we find this ancient DNA? It usually lies dormant in preserved remains such as bones and teeth, waiting to be discovered. Now, you might be thinking, why bother with ancient DNA? Well, the answer is simple. It's all about understanding who we are and where we come from. Ancient DNA allows us to delve into the intricacies of human evolution, shedding light on migration patterns and our interactions with extinct species like Neanderthals. It's not just about unraveling the past. Ancient DNA can also provide us with a glimpse into the future. It can help us understand ancient diseases, diets, and environmental adaptations, giving us the tools we need to prepare for what's to come. But extracting ancient DNA isn't as straightforward as it might seem. The DNA is often fragmented and degraded, requiring special environments for preservation. Think cold, dry, or oxygen-free conditions, like those found in permafrost or caves. The extraction process is a meticulous one, carried out in clean labs to avoid contamination. Scientists drill into bones or teeth, extract powder, and then retrieve the DNA from this material. As we dive deeper into the world of ancient DNA, we'll uncover the meticulous process of its extraction. We'll delve into the breakthrough discoveries it has led to, and the impact it has had on our understanding of human history. We'll also touch on the ethical considerations it raises and what we can expect from the future of ancient DNA research. So, buckle up and get ready for a journey back in time. Extracting ancient DNA is like unlocking a time capsule, a careful and precise process. Delving into the code of life from organisms that lived thousands of years ago is no easy task. Ancient DNA is often fragmented and degraded, a mere shadow of what it once was. Yet, in this fragile state, it holds the potential to reveal secrets of our ancient ancestors. Preserving ancient DNA requires special environmental conditions. Think of places like the icy expanses of permafrost, the cool darkness of caves, or oxygen-free conditions. These are the natural vaults that have kept these genetic time capsules intact for us to discover. Now, let's take a trip to the laboratory, the stage where the magic happens. Picture a clean, sterile environment, almost like a surgical theater. This is essential to avoid contamination, as modern DNA can easily masquerade as its ancient counterpart. Imagine a scientist meticulously drilling into bones or teeth of an ancient organism. The drill grinds away, producing a fine powder, a treasure trove of ancient genetic material. This powder is the raw material from which the DNA will be retrieved. The extraction process is akin to a delicate dance. The scientist must carefully separate the ancient DNA from other substances in the bone powder. This includes proteins, fats, and minerals. It's a painstaking task, but the reward is worth it. A tiny amount of ancient DNA ready for analysis. The DNA is then sequenced, its genetic code read like an ancient script. This is where the real detective work begins. Scientists analyze these sequences, piecing together the genetic puzzle of our past. Each fragment of DNA is a clue, revealing stories of human evolution, migration patterns, and interactions with extinct species. Ancient DNA is more than just a relic of the past. It's a bridge that connects us to our ancestors, offering insights into our collective history. It helps us understand who we are, where we come from, and how we have adapted to our environment over thousands of years. With the DNA extracted, the real detective work begins, analyzing and understanding what these genetic sequences tell us. The study of ancient DNA has led to some groundbreaking discoveries that have redefined our understanding of human history. The early 21st century saw the sequencing of Neanderthal genomes, shedding light on an era long shrouded in mystery. This sequencing revealed that modern, non-African humans actually carry around 1 to 2% of Neanderthal DNA. A trace, a tiny fragment of our past embedded within us, a testament to the shared history and intermingling of our species. But the revelations did not stop there. Deep within the heart of Siberia, in the Denisova cave, a single finger bone held the secrets of an ancient hominin group previously unknown to science. This group, named the Denisovans, emerged from the shadows of prehistory through the magic of ancient DNA. Just like with Neanderthals, we found that certain modern human populations carry Denisovan DNA, a legacy of ancient encounters between our species. Ancient DNA has also become a powerful tool to trace the footsteps of our ancestors across the globe. It has helped us map early human migrations, showing us how humanity spread out from its birthplace in Africa to populate the corners of the world. It revealed the peopling of the Americas, a journey of ancient humans across a land bridge that once connected Siberia and Alaska. It has also traced the spread of agriculture in Europe, showing how farming practices and cultures moved, changed, and shaped societies. These discoveries, however, are just the tip of the iceberg. Every day, scientists are unearthing more fragments of ancient DNA, each one a piece of the puzzle that is our shared human history. Each discovery not only enlightens us about our past, but also has profound impacts on our understanding of human history. The study of ancient DNA, therefore, is not just about looking back, it's about understanding who we are today, and perhaps where we might be going tomorrow. These discoveries have not only enlightened us about our past, but have also had profound impacts on our understanding of human history. Our genetic past has significant implications for our present and future. Delving into our DNA, we unravel the complexities of our human evolution. We've discovered that our ancestors didn't just coexist with Neanderthals and Denisovans, they interbred with them. This interspecies mingling has left indelible traces in our genetic makeup that persist to this day. Modern non-African humans carry around 1 to 2% of Neanderthal DNA. This genetic heritage is a testament to our shared history, a tangible echo of our past interactions with now extinct species. But this genetic legacy isn't merely about identity. It also provides crucial insights into our health. By studying DNA from our ancient relatives, we've been able to identify the presence of ancient pathogens. These findings have offered a window into past pandemics and how our ancestors responded to them. They've illuminated our understanding of ancient diseases, giving us a better grasp of how they've evolved and how our bodies have adapted in response. The story of human history is written in our genes. Each discovery we make is like turning a page in a book that's still being written. It's a narrative of migration, adaptation, survival, and resilience. It's a tale of different species interacting, merging, and diverging. It's the story of us. While the exploration of ancient DNA has revolutionized our understanding of human history, it also raises important ethical considerations. As we delve deeper into our genetic past, we must ensure that we do so with respect for all the people and cultures who've contributed to our shared human story. Our pursuit of knowledge should never eclipse our commitment to respect, dignity, and justice. So as we explore the echoes of history etched in our DNA, let's also remember the ethical implications of our quest. Let's remember that the story we're uncovering is not just about where we've come from, but also about who we are today and who we aspire to be in the future. While the exploration of ancient DNA has revolutionized our understanding of human history, it also raises important ethical considerations. The quest for knowledge is a noble pursuit, but it must be balanced with respect for the cultures and communities we study. Ancient DNA research is not exempt from this principle, especially when it comes to indigenous populations. The extraction and study of genetic material from ancestral remains can be a sensitive issue. These remains are not just data points for scientific analysis. they are integral parts of cultural heritage and identity. As such, they require a respectful approach that acknowledges and honors their significance. Increasingly, scientists are recognizing the importance of collaboration with descendant communities. This collaboration not only ensures that the research is conducted ethically, but also enriches the scientific understanding with cultural context and insights. It's a testament to the evolving nature of research, a shift from unilateral extraction of knowledge to a more balanced exchange. As we push the boundaries of what we can learn from ancient DNA, we must also remember to tread respectfully. The study of ancient DNA is like a journey through time, revealing our past and guiding our future. As we move forward, the horizon of this fascinating field of research continues to expand. New technologies are transforming the way we sequence and analyze ancient genetic material, making it possible to delve deeper into the past. We're now capable of unearthing DNA that is older and more degraded from organisms that lived hundreds of thousands of years ago. These technological advancements are not just about pushing the boundaries of time. They are about refining our understanding of who we are and where we come from. They allow us to piece together a more intricate story of human evolution, migration, and adaptation. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of ancient DNA, we can expect a future filled with more exciting discoveries that will continue to rewrite our understanding of human history.